Good morning, class. I'm your teacher Irish Mantalin. Call me Teacher Irish. For our topic for today is the given place value and the value of the digit, the given decimal number through 10,000. Before that, I have a drill. Drill is all about reading the following decimal number. For number 1, 10 and 125. For the second, 21 and 1,235. For number 3, 1 and 73. For number 4, 45 and 343. For the last number, 8 and 453. Very good. For our review is all about place value of the whole number.
Direction: write the number of hundreds, tens, and ones. 8 is hundred, 9 is tens, and 6 is one. 4 is hundreds, 6 is tens, 5 is ones. 9 is hundreds, 2 is tens, 6 is ones. 1 is hundreds, 6 is tens, 7 is one. 3 is hundreds, 8 is tens, 6 is ones.
To give you an overview for our lesson for today, I have a short story. Romeo takes a good care of his body. She eats a kind of food and does exercise regularly to maintain a proper weight. Romeo weighs of 64.25 kilograms last month. She gains of 2.005 kilograms this month. So his present weight now is 66.255 kilograms. The question is, what is the place value of 2 in the present weight of Romeo? Yes, it's a tens. What is the value of 2 in the Romeo weight of the last month? Correct. It's 0.2. What is the place value of 5 in the last month weight of Romeo? Hundreds. What is the place value of 2 in the present weight of Romeo? Correct. It's 0.2. Before we proceed to our discussion, let's read the objective. Objective: the learner should be able to given the place value and the value of the digit of the given decimal number through 10,000 and apply their knowledge of decimal place value and the value to real world scenario such as measuring distance, quantities, or monetary value to solve practical number effectively. To our discussion, illustrate to get the place value. The first digit to the right of the decimal point is called tens place. Of the second digit to the right of the decimal points is called hundred place. The third digit to the right side of decimal point is called thousands place. The last or the fourth digit to the right of decimal point is called 10,000 place. I have example. For example, what is the place value? The underlined digit. The first, the underlined is 5. The 5 is tens. For number 2, 0.0539. The underline is 5. The 5 is given 100 place. For number 3, 0.3158. The underline is 5. The place value of 5 is 1,000 place. Since that you now understand how to get the place value, so now how to get the value. The digit of 0 is the place of holder of 1 place. Its value is 0. Paano po natin makukuha ang 0? Times natin sa 1. 0 times 1 equals 0. The digit of 5 is in dotted place is a value of 0.5. Paano natin makukuha ang 0.5? Yes, kailangan po natin i-divide sa 10. 5 divide 10 equals 0.5. The digit of 1 is in the 100 place is a value of 0.01. Ganun din po nangyari kanina o ganun din po gagawin natin. I-divide naman po natin siya sa 100. 1 divide 100 equals 0.01. The digit 3 is in the 1000 place is the value is 0.003. Dahil nasa thousands place siya, i-divide naman natin siya sa 1,000. 3 divide 1,000 equals 0.003. And the digit 7 is in the 10,000 place. Its value is 0.0007. Dahil po nasa 10,000s, i-divide din po natin siya sa 10,000s. 7 divide 10,000s equals 0.0007. I have an example to get the value. For example, what is the value of the underlying digit? For number 1, 0.5173. The underlying is 5. The value of 5 is 0.5. Paano natin makukuha? 5 divide 10 equals 0.5. For number 2, 0.0539. The underlying is 5. The value of 5 is 0.05. Paano natin siya makukuha? Yes, i-divide sa 100. 5 divide 100 equals 0.05. The last one, 0.3158. The underlying is 5. The value of 5 is 0.005. Now, I have an activity. The use of place value chart below of the given place value and the value of underlying digit in each decimal number.
The value of 6 is tens and the value of 6 is 0.6. Place value of 8 is 10,000. The value of 8 is 0.0008. The place value of 7 is hundreds and the value of 7 0.07.
For another activity, I have shared story. Sosa found a piece of cloth measured of 0.8972 meter for her work in Fiji City Dry Good, one of the wellness dry goods store in Lucena City. If she will use it for 3 sets, what is the measure of cloth she needs for each set of 15? The measure of cloth for set is 0.8972 divided 3 equals 0.2990667 or 0.2991 meter of cloth for each set. Based on our discussion, what happened when the value from the decimal point to the left? When the value starts from the decimal point to the left, if represented the whole number part of decimal number. What happened when the value starts from decimal point into the right? When the value starts from the decimal point to the right, it represents the fractional part of the number. The digit of position denote fraction of the power of 10, contributing to the overall precision and the value of the number. I have another activity. Give the place value and the value of underline the digit. For number 1, the underline is 9. The place value is 1s and the value is 9. For number 2, the underline is 4. The place value of 4 is 10,000 and the value of 4 is 0.0004. For number 3, the underline is 3. The value of 3 is 0.3 and the place value of 3 is tens place. For number 4, the underline is 3. The place value of 3 is 10,000 and the value of 3 is 0.0003. For number 5, the underline is 3. The place value of 3 is hundreds and the value of 3 is 0.03. For number 6, the underline is 6. The value of 6 is 0.006. For number 7, the underline is 5. The place value of 5 is 100 and the value of 5 is 0.05. For number 8, the underline is number 4. The place value of 4 is ones place, and the value of 4 is 4. For number 9, the underline is number 4. The place value of 4 is 10,000. The value of 4 is 0.0004. The last number, the underline is 3. The place value of 3 is 100. And the value of 3 is 300. For your additional take-home activity, the direction give the place value and the value of the underlined digit. Thank you for listening to our lesson for today. That's all.